Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And I have two friends joining me today.
Hi, I'm Jessie.
Hi, I'm Emily.
Thanks for coming. And Emily, what are we going to be making today?
So today we are going to make a medical art project, and specifically we're going to do syringe painting today.
Great. And can I see a sample of yours? Nice. And Jessie? Wow, these look really great. So before we get started, let's do one of our breathing exercises to relax us and get us ready to craft. Jessie, would you like to lead that?
Yes, so this is a bunny breathing exercise. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 short breaths in, like this, like a bunny, and then 1 long breath in. So very quick it goes, and out.
Okay, so let's try it twice.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
And out, and out.
I love that one. I feel more relaxed and it also made me laugh, so that's good.
So Gail, what do we need today?
Okay, so today for supplies, we're going to need some paint, a syringe, some tape, either medical or masking tape, some paper, some water, and some cups, either medicine cups or paper cups. So Emily, what's the first step?
Okay, so the first step would be to take your tape and lay it down anywhere you want on the piece of paper.
And are you using masking tape?
I am using masking tape.
Okay, and I got some medical tape. So if you're staying in the hospital or if you're visiting the hospital, some of these supplies are going to be very easy for you to get.
How many tape are you guys putting down?
I'm going to do 3.
Me too.
And the tape should just go any which way, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter, whichever way you want it to.
Okay. All right. I'm doing mine on a piece of canvas. I think anything will work. So I don't know if you can see, but here's my tape.
Oh yeah, I have construction.
Great. And so the next step is going to be the paints. And Jessie, can you show us a little bit about what paints we're using?
Yeah, so I have purple and white paint mixed together, but I made the white look a little pink because I mixed it with some purple. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your syringe, and you want to put your paint in the medicine cup with a little bit of water.
Okay, I did that ahead of
Me too.
time.
Me too. So I have water and paint mixed in this medicine cup, and we're gonna use the syringe and put a little bit in it, and then strip out your paper.
And we want to make sure to get it near the tape, right? So that when we pull the tape off.
You want to go near your tape. You can even go right over your tape. So when you take off the tape, it makes a really cool design.
Great. And if you don't have a syringe, you could use a paintbrush for this. All right, so here's what mine looks like so far.
Oh, that looks good.
Thanks.
This is mine. Taped down a little bit to my. This is mine so far.
Ooh, nice. How's yours, Emily?
It's messy.
Oh, it looks good.
Good though.
What colors are you guys using?
I'm using yellow, blue, and green.
I'm using blue and orange.
Pretty. I have purple and light pink.
So this is really fun. You want to make sure that you have something underneath. So like a tablecloth or a paper towel so that it doesn't just go everywhere.
That's a really good idea.
And if it goes everywhere, you just clean it up.
It's so fun.
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to keep working on mine for a while today. And how long do I have to let this dry before I pull the tape off? Emily, how long did you wait?
Probably like an hour.
Okay. So once you know it's dry, then you're going to, I'm just going to show a little bit. Peel the tape off and you'll have some nice lines where your paint didn't cover it.
Yeah.
That looks great. All right, well, this was a really fun one.
Yeah, very fun.
Thanks for showing us. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website, www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.